Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy Easter. Hope you all are doing well. I want to come on today and show you what I'm doing for my sons for his Easter quote unquote basket. My son is 8, so I have one last year before he's double digit and he actually knows everything. He's already there, but anyway, I'm going to show you with you what I purchased for him to go in his Easter basket. I got this little make it blocks. These are comparable to uh, the other blocks on the market, and it tells you right there compatible fits all leading brands. So if you know what this is, you know what this is. And we've been watching a lot of Lego videos lately, like how it's made. He's been enjoying those. Okay, so that's that. Then he's into these little minifigures. Now I had taken him to an actual Lego spot, I guess an authorized reseller of Legos, and we bought four for $12. Yeah, I think it was four for 12. So when I saw these little guys, I was like, yes, let's get them all. It doesn't tell you how many they have because they'll probably make more and more and more. But these are professionals. I guess this is a doctor or a nurse, an ER technician, and I think this probably is a doctor. The way they have the little stethoscope and the tie. This may be a nurse. Then we have three soldiers. And I bought this at the beginning of March because if you go to the Dollar Tree, this is where all this came from. If you go to the Dollar Tree and you don't get it when you see it, you won't have it. And this is a firefighter. I guess these are all firefighters, I'm assuming, just with different outfits. Because he has like a crowbar. This is an axe. And I don't know what this person is actually wearing. I don't know. And then the last one is some superheroes. And you can piece together who they're supposed to be. He won't really care. They'll be all over the floor in about 10 minutes, if that. Then I got him a jump rope, and I was thinking, do little kids, boys, use jump ropes? The answer is yes. Come on. And this. So he's into, this is his thing right now. Superheroes, Legos, and occasionally Thomas. Always video games though. And I got him this cute little controller drink box, this little juice box. I was worried about this at first, only because I feel like it's just some little cheap plastic. But I feel like at home, if I make or give him some apple juice or something like that, he could probably play with this. So if we go on the road, as long as I don't leave it in the car because of this plastic, it's called tumbler goblet. I don't know about that, but that you gotta give something a name. And then when I was a little girl, my mom always gave me a chocolate bunny. Those bunnies were expensive back in the day, right? I didn't get him a bunny because he's been with me the last few days, and I didn't want to get a bunny and keep it. But my mom would get me the bunny and freeze it. We would freeze it, and I could have a little piece at a time. Candy holics. But I got him these happy hoppers, gummy bunnies, and some jelly beans. And then this cute little bear. I got this bear last month, I believe, and I got him, another set. These are pirates. They look like, yeah, this is a pirate, and some socks. The funny thing is, he picked out these same socks a few days ago. So now he has two pairs. So let's go ahead and get into how we're going to do this. The camera doesn't capture everything, but I got this jumbo egg for $3 from the Dollar Tree in their expensive section. The more than a dollar section of the Dollar Tree. The $3, $5 section. I'm not upset about it at all, just so you know. Um, I was like, let me get it now. And they didn't have like a red one. Let me just stop talking so I can get this plastic off real quick. I was going to do, I said, let me stop talking, then rattle the paper. I was going to do a scavenger hunt, but it's uh, it's not wet outside, but we have some overgrown bush in the backyard. And I didn't want him to chance running into a slithering nature friend, right? So let me just take this off real quick. More plastic. You know what's so funny? He's been asking me the whole time because I left the egg in the car, right? He's like, "Mommy, what are you gonna do with that egg? Mommy, what are you gonna do with that egg?" I said, "I'm gonna make crafts with it." All right, so I'm gonna leave everything just like this. This little bear, I feel bad for this bear because he is going to probably be tribute. But look, he's super cute. So we're going to put him in first. Then we're going to put the socks here. Then we're going to put these little markers. They'll be all over the floor and the same amount of seconds as everything else. Then we're going to put the juice box that I seem to have misplaced in next, like that. The little jump rope. And this could be a basket by itself, right? But no. I didn't want to go over the top. I had bought him a basket and he broke it. Because you know that's what kids do, right? They tear up their toys. And now we're going to go ahead and move this out the way. And we're going to just drop this in here like that. This doesn't have a flat bottom because this is the top of the egg. As long as everything fits in each side, we're good to go. And it does. So now let's just see. Oh, sorry about the camera shake. If I can't do this a little better. I was going to open up some of the toys, but excuse the camera shaking again. I'll let him do it. Let's see. It's all in there. What I had to do is the boxes. See, it's coming out, it's slipping out. The box on the side, I had to move them from the top and put them on along the bottom. So this is the project. It is coming out a little bit on the side, so I have to figure that out. Oh wait, let's see. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyway, that is our project. I will let you know how he feels about it next time we chat. I want to say thank you for watching. Happy crafting.